The number of COVID-19 deaths in this region for 2021 will approach 1,900. That's according to health department data, an average of more than 5 deaths per day this year. As of today, 723 deaths in Southwest Virginia have been blamed on the virus. In Northeast Tennessee, health departments reported 1,156 deaths related to COVID-19 in 2021 and 68 deaths in just the past week. When you factor in the 96,000 plus confirmed COVID-19 cases reported by health departments this year, about 1.9% of the people who contracted the virus in our region this year didn't survive, so right around 2%. While our reporting this year chronicled the deadly impact of the virus, we also looked for opportunities to share stories of survival. Doctors told us all year long many of the patients whose conditions worsened to the point they needed critical care in a COVID-19 unit wouldn't be able to survive. But thanks to round-the-clock care and advancements in treatment, in 2021, many of them did. Back in February, Pastor Jerry Davis of Mountain City left the hospital after nearly dying of COVID-19 complications, reminding the crowd outside the hospital, those family and friends who came to welcome him, who he thought should get all the credit.
I thank the good Lord Almighty. Amen. And lift him up. Yes. Save our lives through all this sickness and everything.
In October, John Mabe went home in Greenville from a hospital stay of 22 days in the COVID unit, 12 days on a ventilator.
You hear the stories, 1 out of 2 survive it. I mean, you don't hear nothing positive.
Travis Sampson already had a reputation for being positive. The one-time contestant on the Survivor reality show almost died from COVID complications. The Sullivan County Sheriff's Office school resource officer spent a month at a Kingsport hospital, 8 days on a ventilator.
If what I went through is not enough to get people convinced to take the vaccine, then me posting my opinion on Facebook ain't gonna change nobody's mind.
At Ballard Hospital's, Discharge Day came to be known as the Victory Walk for patients who made it out alive in 2021 after long-term care for COVID complications. 17-year-old Connor Begley was one of them. He spent 44 days on a ventilator at the Niswonger Children's Hospital as his lungs healed from COVID-19. Even with a long stay in rehab ahead of him, that day was a day for celebration when he left Niswonger Children's Hospital. And as recently as last week, a reminder of the power of friendship to heal in a way that medicine alone cannot. In Johnson City, UPS truck driver Jackson Randall on the mend at the Quillen Rehab Hospital during the Christmas holiday after battling COVID-19. So, friends organized a truck parade, which he could watch from his hospital room. Glimmers of hope that filled our newscasts in a year of so much loss, ending with hope for a better year to come. A few of the stories of hope through the previous year and more reasons for hope tonight. Shipments of the first at-home treatment medication for COVID-19 in the U.S. are now being shipped to pharmacies. The medicines do require a doctor's prescription.